How to color code events for better productivity in Google Calendar. If your calendar looks like a boring list of identical events, you're missing out one of the simplest productivity hack, color coding in Google Calendar. First of all, launch open your Google Calendar application on your device and make sure you are logged in with your Google account credential. Now you can see one of my events colored in green. That is called color coding in Google Calendar. Go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner from the home screen to add a new event, or tap on an existing event from the calendar you want to edit. I'm just gonna edit the existing meeting I have at the top. Tap on the one of the meeting or event and then click on the pencil button at the top right corner if you are doing this on an existing event. Now in this edit page, scroll down and look for the color drop down and choose from the color options. Pick a color that matches your category and try to stay consistent. For example, if your event is about work, make sure to select the blue color. If it is about deadlines, select red. If it is about social, select purple. Like that, after making the selection, click on Save at the top right corner, get back to the calendar option, and you'll see your calendar event into a clear, colorful productivity system. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to glance at your calendar and instantly know what your day looks like. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.